Hi guys! So a few weeks back I reviewed an amazing bag from a company called Maison de Beaute Marseille. Now today I have their Provence signature tote and I'm going to unbox it for you guys and show you just what it's like. So with all the packaging off, you really see how gorgeous this bag is. These bags are handmade from premium quality leather. They're nicely finished. This is an elegant signature tote. It's a classic style. It's full of pockets. It really is that sort of timeless elegance that everybody's looking for when you're trying to stay in fashion and be practical at the same time. Now this bag does come in all sorts of colors if you look on their website. But yeah, this particular bag itself is in this gorgeous, rich sort of tan color that you can see here. I love this detailed pocket on the front. It's got a range of straps as usual. These straps are adjustable in length. There's little buckles here so you can change the length of these straps. If I open up the inside, you can see the signature interior. That's this sort of beautiful jacquard pattern fabric. There are loads of pockets in here. There's compartments for wallets and phones at the back. There's a large central pocket which is zipped for extra security. On the other side as well, there's a smaller pocket which is great for keeping anything that you need to keep secure. Makeup, lipstick, maybe even a wallet, passport, whatever you're taking with you. There's also an additional strap, and this strap serves as a crossbody. It hooks onto either side of the bag using these really sturdy metal clips. So that means you can wear this across body. This is fully adjustable as well. Or you can wear this bag over your shoulder. Now for a limited time only, these bags also come with a free included little purse. Great to have something that matches your bag. It's quite simple, just a little zip pocket. You've got the raw sort of suede interior there from the leather. Now, as I've said, on their website, they have all sorts of colors. So if this rich tan isn't for you, then you can definitely find a color that you like on their website. Just head over to www.mdbm.uk and check them out. This is the Provence signature tote. It is a recreation or redesign of one of their older successful styles. So I'm really glad that they brought this back. Something classic, spacious, well-made. They're exceptional quality, guys, for a really great price. And this is my second bag and I have ordered more. So yeah, check it out.